My childhood was hard. My parents, they never enrolled me in any school. And so I left home really young. I actually got a one-way ticket to Austin. I got off the bus and I didn't have family. I didn't have a place to go. I didn't have money. I didn't have any food. I remember sitting on this curb and I had to force myself to get up and start my life. I asked a random person for a job and he owned a company doing water damage remediation and he taught me the industry.
It's interesting because it's something I sort of fell into, but it's something that it seems like it was tailor fit.
But growing up, I didn't fit in and I feel like my life was so held back. So when I went out on my own to start my company, it was really scary. But I had so much energy and so much drive. I wanted to bring my dream to reality. And our relationship with Chase has been pivotal from the beginning. Chase for Business is literally what it says in the name. It is Chase for Business. It made me feel like I finally found an ally.
So we can help more people get back to life.
Getting that call on their worst day is a jump to action. It's how do we help this person?
We've been driving all night and came home to a flooded house.
Do you miss being in your room?
We saw so much of what makes our house a home.
We are doing more than just fixing a house.
To save, to restore, and be that solution in the time of need.
My dream is to find a way to grow into a position where we can bring that to more people. And with Chase, that is where we're headed. When we see our customers at their worst, it takes me back to a time in my life when I was at my worst. And the strength it took me to get up off that curb is the exact strength that I tried to give my customers and help them off of their curb.